In front of me is ACER Iconia Tab P11, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to click on Passwords and Accounts over here. Now select this gear next to Google under Autofill Service. Tap on Google Password Manager and select a password you wish to edit by clicking on it. Now to access it, enter your current screen lock, and finally to edit it, choose Edit button and change wherever you want to. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!